Amritvaini Shetty and Shikshan Vikas Samstha was founded by the visionary late Sahakar Maharshi Shri Bhausaheb Santuji Thorat, whose passion for education transformed the region. Under the leadership of Shri Bhausaheb Thorat, President, the institution continues to thrive. Honorable Dr. Sudhir Tambe, Trustee, and Honorable Shariu Deshmukh, Managing Trustee, are dedicated to carrying forward this legacy of excellence. Amritvaini Shetty and Shikshan Vikas Samstha stands tall as a premier educational organization. Since its founding in 1978, we've expanded our legacy across several institutions. Amritvaini College of Engineering, a hub of innovation since 1983, molding future engineers. Amritvaini Polytechnic, also established in 1983, offers hands-on technical education. Amritvaini Model School and Junior College, having state board, nurturing young minds since 1986. The Amritvaini Institute of Pharmacy, founded in 2004 under Batu University, leads in pharmaceutical education. The Amritvaini Institute of MBA, established in 1995, providing future business leaders with world-class education. Amritvaini College of Pharmacy, established in 2007, delivering excellence in healthcare education. Nido International School, having Cambridge curriculum, established in 2020, fostering creativity and curiosity in early learners. Amritvaini Industrial Training Institute, developing skilled professionals with practical expertise since 1982. SBT College of Agriculture, helping students shape a sustainable future in agriculture. In 1978, when the vision of Amritvaini was first put into action, it began with just 2 dedicated employees. Today, that humble beginning has grown into a powerhouse of education, with 1,137 staff members nurturing over 12,000 students. Our incubation center empowers students to transform their ideas into impactful innovations with guidance from industry experts. Notably, Mr. Rohit Badange received appreciation from the Maharashtra Government Innovation Center for his outstanding innovation, exemplifying the spirit of creativity fostered here. Our Japanese language lab immerses students in language and culture, preparing them for global collaborations. With 5 international placements and over 55 alumni successfully working in Japan, we are proud to bridge cultures and create global opportunities. In the Tiffan Mechanical Lab, students design and develop innovative motor vehicles, shaping the future of automotive engineering. Our Automation and Robotics department provides students hands-on experience with cutting-edge technologies, including AI and autonomous systems. A proud moment came when a student project from Nido International School was selected by ISRO, highlighting the creativity and potential nurtured in our young learners. In 2019-20, 33 of our students cleared the Maharashtra Public Service Commission examination, a testament to our commitment to excellence and holistic development. By 2025-26, Amritvaini College of Engineering will achieve autonomous status, with a goal to become a private university by 2030. Our commitment to sustainability is visible through the solar panels, powering the campus, and the sewage treatment plant, which ensures effective waste management. Our modern hostel facilities provide a comfortable and supportive environment for students, offering all the amenities they need. We've planted over 4 crore trees every year in Sangamner Taluka through Dandakaranya Abhiyan, making Amritvaini a true green campus dedicated to environmental sustainability. Our annual Medha cultural event celebrates creativity and talent, where students showcase their artistic and cultural prowess, bringing the campus to life. The Aditi Canteen has been a beloved spot for students and alumni alike, a place where memories of shared meals and conversations endure. And at the center of it all are Ghulewadi and Sangamner, where dreams were born and lifelong memories made. These places are woven into the fabric of Amritvahini's legacy and the hearts of all those who have passed through. Amritvahini, empowering the future one step at a time.